In a previous video, we gave everyone the solution that they've been asking for from Milwaukee Tool that solves the major flaw with their PACKOUT rolling box. It seems so many tradespeople work out of the trunk of their car or have trucks with tonneau covers, and the majority of those people feel that the PACKOUT rolling box should have a removable handle. According to many of you, the handle's just too doggone high for you to slam the trunk of your car shut or close the cover on the bed of your truck. So we shared what we felt was an awesome solution from a little family-owned company called Neat Tools. I'll put a link in the description to get you to that full video. It's pretty awesome. We go over the full installation of their quick release pin kit from Milwaukee's rolling PACKOUT box. But it seems that video raised a very important question from one of the very cool gang. It looks like those pins might catch the steps when humping it up and down the stairs. Well, we decided to answer the call and headed out to a place that has a whole bunch of steps for us to hump up and down our Milwaukee rolling box with the Neat quick release pin modification installed. I did a whole bunch of humping up and down those steps, and that Milwaukee rolling box was loaded down with my Super Sawzall, Super Hole Hog, and Milwaukee's rear handle circ saw. Why does Milwaukee put the word super in front of the name of so many of their tools? What other super tools does Milwaukee offer that aren't in my PACKOUT rolling box? Leave it down in the comments section below. And while you're down there, make sure to get subscribed. Tap the bell, because when one of the very cool gang has an awesome question like this one, we make a video giving everyone the answer. If you take a good look as we're rolling up those steps, the distance from the wheels away from the box is great enough that the pins never contact the steps in any way. We tried tilting the box at different angles and seeing if we can actually get the pins to interfere with the steps, possibly causing damage, and it never happened. So it seems we handled that major flaw with Milwaukee's PACKOUT rolling box.